Amazon apparently handed over some Ring footage to police without consent from the user.
Uh-oh.
Ring doorbell footage was sent to law enforcement 11 times this year without the user's permission. You have the video doorbell going on as well, right?
Not Ring.
No, but you're recording video over there.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Now, if you found out that your video footage had been sent to law enforcement, you're not sure what it was or when it was, would you be concerned?
Yeah. I feel like it's sort of breaking a law.
Now, what if there was an emergency situation that was witnessed on there, and the sharing of that footage in a timely manner could actually help to save somebody's life?
Timely.
That's right.
And they can't call me first?
Ring has said before it will not share customer information with police without consent, a warrant, or due to an exigent. I've never seen that word. I'm guessing that means something immediate, emergency circumstance. The 11 videos shared this year fell under the emergency provision, Amazon's letter said. So the 11 times it went through, it was considered an emergency. I don't know who's judging what algorithms are able to spot and send emergency scenarios with geodata. It's really curious. In such cases, Ring reserves the right to respond immediately to urgent law enforcement requests for information, adding the company makes a determination as to when to share video footage without user consent based on information provided to it in an emergency request form and circumstances described by law enforcement. Like, I don't know, what if, for example, a child was abducted in that region, and you, on your footage, unknowingly could have captured the event taking place. And Ring was notified of the location of the abduction, and your footage was used to help apprehend. I mean, still, I guess you could know. I don't know why you should still be notified, I think.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So that would solve the problem. Just notify the person. But then once they've notified you, I guess you could cause a ruckus. You could be one of the types that's like, nope, sorry, can't have it. Or,
well, in this case, I wouldn't, but
you understand where I'm going here.
Yeah.
They're saying that the greater good, but it's a real gray area as far as I can. I'm just trying to paint the picture of how they could justify it. That's all I'm trying to do. Well, that's what I do.